In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels on Google Keep. This is a great way to organize your notes and make them easily accessible whenever you need them. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. Once open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a square made up of 9 smaller boxes. Click on it. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Keep icon to open Google Keep. Now you're ready to start managing your notes. Let's say you want to organize a particular note by adding a label to it. Simply open the note you want to label. Once the note is open, look towards the top right corner for the 3 dots icon, also known as the More option. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Label. What happens next is rather simple but very effective for organizing your notes. You can choose from a list of existing labels that you have already set up. If you don't have a suitable label yet or wish to start a new category, you can go ahead and type a new label name in the Enter Label Name field. Once you've typed your desired label name, just click Create to add it. This action will save the label and apply it to your note. Now that you've added a label, you'd want to apply it to other related notes. To do this for each note, you simply need to check the box next to each label you want to use. This is a handy way to keep your notes grouped. Labels are not just for classifying, they also make it easy to view all notes under a specific category. To see all notes with a particular label, just click on the label name. Google Keep will then display all the notes tagged with that label. To quickly access notes with a label from the main interface, tap the main menu icon, which is usually found at the top. From here you can select your label of interest to view all the associated notes. This feature turns Google Keep into a powerful tool for organizing ideas, to-do lists, and anything else you need regularly at your fingertips. That's it, simple, effective, and organized. By using labels, you can transform your Google Keep experience into a seamless part of your daily routine, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Happy organizing!